everybody, Carol here at Oak House Journals, and as always a big warm welcome from me. I have another quick giveaway for my lovely subscribers. Thank you very much everybody, and it's these two kits. So to enter, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. Doesn't need to be anything lengthy. You could just say hi in the comment section underneath this video, and then in a week's time, on the 13th of March, I will do a random draw from the comments to pick two winners, and you will receive one of these two kits. So without further ado, let me tell you a little bit about the kits. I decided to do this one sooner rather than later because one or two of you said how much you liked it, or you had a wedding coming up or an anniversary and you really wanted a chance to win it. So I thought I'd do this one quite quickly for you. Now this is a lavender and lace cross stitch kit. You don't get the full kit, I'm afraid, everybody. All you get is the chart. But the chart has got full instructions and it tells you what DMC threads to buy. So as I said, this was a lavender lace kit. It's known as the Wedding. It's quite a big one. The design area is 14¼ inches by 18¾ inches. And if I quickly just open it up for you, let me show you the, whoops, if I can get the kit out, or the chart out rather. Doesn't want to come. It's quite a snug fit. And ooh, are you going to come out? There we go. Oh, there we go. As you see, it is quite a big chart, but it's nice and easy to follow this one. And as I say, it's got all the information that you need about the colour. There's the stitching instructions. You don't get much, do you? But it does tell you how many threads to use, whether it's one or two. And then these are the DMC threads that you will need to use if you want to follow it up absolutely exactly. So that's the chart. This one is slightly different from this one in that, let me just pop this to one side. I've blown up the chart because these are kits that I've done. So I blew up the chart, enlarged it rather. So you will also get this as well. And this will just help your eyesight if you are planning to do this picture yourself working from the chart. But also what comes with this one is, I think I've shown this previously. Well, I know I have. It is my efforts at doing this particular kit. Now, as I mentioned before, it's all done with the exception of there should be a bridegroom in here. If I quickly show you the picture, you can just see there's a bridegroom. Now, he's not in here, but he would be easy to do. But the beading is all on, as you can see. There's gold thread work around the outside. There is a slight stain up here, but that would be outside the, if I show you, there you go. That would be outside the framing area, which is here. The rest of the kit or the design area is immaculate. There's no stains or anything like that. So this will come with the chart, and if you want to finish it off, then that's absolutely brilliant. Or you can work from the charts themselves. So that is one prize, and the second prize is one of these Dale Design little cottages, and this one is known as Betty's Cottage. And as you can see, there's the chart in there. It's upside down actually. There's the instructions, and it talks about threads on the other side, same as with the other kit. It talks about the kit containing fabric and the stranded cotton and needle those won't be included in the kit. It's just the chart. Can I keep on reminding everybody? It's just the chart. So you will get the chart and the instructions on how to do it. Now, the others that I showed you in the last drawer for these Dale Design cottages, they were petit point, i.e. half cross stitch. This actually is a cross stitch kit this time, and I'm just desperately trying to see what size it is. It's saying that it's 14 centimeters by 12 centimeters, so it's a bit larger than the two previous ones, but still quite a nice size to do. So those are the two prizes, everybody. If you want to enter, as I say, just leave me a comment below this video and I will do the random draw on Saturday the 13th of March next. So good luck everybody, and thank you so much as always for watching. Bye bye now.